Starting to talk. Talk is a clinical debriefing framework which follows 4 steps. Target. The first step is choosing the focus of the discussion, being as specific as possible.
So, what should we discuss to improve patient care?
Team members share their perspective and agree on what is important to discuss.
That sounds good. Let's talk about that.
Analysis. Team members review the agreed target, in particular, how to repeat successful outcomes or identify areas for improvement.
This went very well. How can we do this again? This was challenging for us. How can we do things better next time?
As part of this step, team members propose improvement actions. Learning points are shared by the team members.
So what can the team learn from this experience?
Key actions. Team members agree on solutions and take responsibility to carry them out and follow them up.
What are we going to do? Who is going to do it? How will we all know that it's been done?
Talk enables teams to make small changes that matter. Small changes can make a big difference.